everyone, welcome to Mathemagic Hub. Our topic for today is addition and subtraction using big friend. Here are the big friends for the numbers 9 to 1. The big friend of 9 is 1, the big friend of 8 is 2, the big friend for 7 is 3, for 6 it's 4, for 5 it's itself the 5, for 4 it's 6, for 3 it's 7, for 2 it's 8, and for 1 it's 9. Now we will take a look at one example. So as we know that the big friend for 9 is 1. So for add 9 we will use add 10 less 1. Now we will take an example by solving a sum. So the sum is 1 add 9 add 1. So for 1 we will take 1 bead up. For 9 we will take add 10 less 1, and for 1 we will take add 1. So the answer is 11. We will take one more example. 3 add 9 add 2. We will take 3. For 9 add 10 less 1 and add 2. So the answer is 1, 4, 14. Now we will take a look at the big friend of 8, that is 2. So for add 8 it is add 10 less 2. The example we take is 2 add 8 add 2. 2, then for 8 add 10 less 2 and again 2. So the answer is 1, 2, 12. We will take one more example, that is 37 add 8 add 4. For 8 add 10 less 2 and add 4. So the answer is 4, 9, 49. Same towards the 7, that is add 10 less 3. The sum is 2 add 6 add 7. 2 add 6, and for 7 add 10 less 3. So the answer we get is 1, 5, 15. One more example. 21, 2 and 7. 21 add 2, for 7 add 10 and less 3. So the answer is 3, 0, 30. Now the 6, that is add 10 less 4. So the sum is 3 add 6 and again add 6. 3, then add 6 and then again 6. So add 10 and less 4. So the answer is 1, 5, 15. For 5 it is add 10 and less 5. So the sum is add 5 and again add 5. So here we have 5. For 5 it's add 10 and less 5, then again 5. So the answer is again 1, 5, 15. Now we will take a look at 4, that is add 10 and less 6. The sum is 2, add 7, add 4. So on the abacus we'll take is the 2, then add 7, and then add 10 less 6. So the answer is 13. Now for 3 it is add 10 less 7. Now the sum is 3, 6 and add 3. Here is 3, 6, and for the formula add 10 less 7, and the answer is 1 to 12. One more example is 19, add 3 and add 5. This is 19. For 3 it's add 10 less 7 and add 5. So the answer we get is 27. Now for 2 it's add 10 less 8. The sum is 1, add 7 and add 2. We take 1, 7, and for 2 it's add 10 less 8, and the answer is 1, 0, 10. Now the last one is for 1, that is add 10 less 9. The sum is 1, add 8 and add 1. So we will take 1, then 8, and then for 1 is add 10 less 9. The answer is 1, 0, 10. We will take one more example, that will be 69, add 1 and add 7. This is 69. For add 1 we will take add 10 less 9 and add 7. The answer is 7, 7, 77. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe and like our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification for the new videos. Thank you.